Hi guys, Michelle Bailey here, and today's topic is about showing property and providing feedback. And for a moment, I'm going to kind of hop on my soapbox a little bit on the subject. And so I imagine you all are professionals at the top of your game, right? And somehow there's less professional things happening around our valley right now. So when you show a property, you realize you are responsible for that property, right? You're responsible for leaving it in the condition it was when you found it. So for example, you turn off the lights that were off when you arrived. You leave on the lights that were on when you arrived. You make sure all the doors are locked, at least the ones that were locked when you arrived, and then the same thing, you leave those that are unlocked. It also includes making sure the front door is locked and the key is put back in the lockbox. Amazingly enough, I've actually had quite a few showings last year where the seller came home and discovered their front door wide open. This does not look good for our industry, right? Okay, part two. I'm curious, do you take notes when you're showing property? I happen to take notes, so if you don't, there's no judgment there. I actually take notes because I look for condition. I want to make notes on condition, for red flags, any information to help my client when they're deciding whether or not they want to make an offer on that property. I also use those notes for giving feedback to listing agents. Now, it's not very often that I'm actually being requested for feedback, and maybe it's because it's a hot market right now, I'm not sure. When I request feedback, I'm kind of shocked with the responses. So Feisty Michelle is going to come out for a moment, and secretly in my head, when someone says, they didn't like it, we didn't write an offer, I say, no shit, Sherlock, excuse my French. What didn't the buyer like about it, right? Yes, I know your buyer isn't interested. I'm aware they didn't write an offer because I didn't receive one. So imagine for a moment, you are the seller. Wouldn't you want to know? Please take time to offer good feedback on the properties that you're showing when the listing agent actually reaches out to you. I believe the good karma will come back around when you have a listing as well. All right, stepping off my soapbox right now and getting ready for you to light me up. Have a good day.